in today's tutorial, I'm going to how to change your display resolution settings on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System. And then on the right side, select Display. And then if you scroll down on this page underneath Scale and Layout, where it says Display Resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. Click the drop-down, select your appropriate display resolution from the options here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.